Well, I'm Josh. I'm with Perco Equipment Rentals. We're out of Madison, Georgia, and we work in partnership with PURE, which is Pipeline Utility Rentals and Equipment, and we rent a lot of the PRINOTH Panthers, so out to different customers in the pipeline industry. We've gotten a lot of feedback from the customers. They love the machine. They really do. They love the Cat engine. Makes maintenance and repairs so much easier in the field. And the other one being is that they're just reliability. They're reliable machines. Customers give us a lot of good feedback on them. Last would be the drive system. The drive system, they like the way that, you know, when you're approaching like a water bar in a road or something, it's not like some of the competitors' machines that will ride up to a certain point, break over and fall. These will ride to a small point, break over and go. So you're not getting beat to death all day driving the machine in and out of a work site. Like I said, the operators, they put these things through a lot. I mean, they really do. As anybody in the pipeline business knows, pipeliners are rough on equipment. They work hard and they want their equipment to work as hard as they do.